Salam salam dik Erena. How are you? Kame the handle? Thankful namaskankuye you tuned once again in with me with two. Lomi music video I know, crazy, right? Actually, I'm doing music video. I'm doing Lydiana's makeup. Need to say hi to them. Hi Erena. You guys, نافقكم كموت اللي حكي وحكي. تازيما ندير رسعة تنافقون دو خمسة خماي. مش على؟ إفو كم يوم تيا؟
لا Love You Erena راح يتكلم. هذا لو ITV.
نايمين يا تازيما ولا قرب سكا؟
لا سكرتوان.
ودس من أخاته وحلو الزمان دي. تحنك إلى مسخاتكم. نقارني please. I don't know كم يوم تيا. I not telling you for sure. Again, let me know. By the way, last time to forci allahi forski قال تقولوا لي نيركم دك إيرينا هيدا تايرو غيركمي انت كمان you please tell me صحة أبزحي خوينا لي نت إيريلي just أبرولي please. That's it. زيك حتى كم دلي. نأفهم كم مسماركوا عنتو أي مزارر بيرنا. نتاعي قبيلوني إفهم دحنتو. He said فقري حابشة بتعرفي فقري هندي مدركي. سلازي دك إيرنا. Thank you for all this love. I love you so much too.
Joker.
By the way. We're doing the makeup for Love and Music, the new show by Litty Mimi. And half this on it, I'm going to do promotion for her too because
that's right, girl
power.
Yes.
Sderulna, we need the for the contest. Derifkum kallahum. Sderulna the video to @LYETV or to @Lydiana_music. Or to our email love@lye.tv.
That's right.
The amazing part is
Natku musica production knogobroina and music video kaman.
On top of that, you're going to be a star.
No, that's true. No lies.
So, like Erena, I was wondering last time because like Philly didn't Kaluanayu, but Seb among Seb Kuligzi Philly Alu. But I was wondering, like, Linto, can you make boom?
No. That just came so random, like out of nowhere. No, I thought on this already. It's a long time.
Like, I wouldn't. Okay, patina, but.
Yeah, Keshkesh.
Oh,
because
normal
just Suda, yeah, but I was like, Zakira my cousin, had Hekalatini. The hasn't Kenas.
Oh no, sorry.
No, it's okay. What the Nabatas was on it, it's fine. But she said, she was asked, Tahatanira, ski. Bun Keshkesh قبل يومتهم أجايش. And my poor cousin, it is a take on the bun wasira, it is at you. And she went to them and did like they do, and she was like,
sorry,
and she was being like, you know,
oh no,
I know, but like you know. It's fine, I guess. But honestly, Erena, should boys do Buntu? Keshkesh?
Well, absolutely.
I'm asking you, Erena. Comment, vote, tasatufu on our community site above. The question is going to be, should Eritrean boys know how to make Bun Keshkesh? I would love to know. And why not? But they will let us know.
Yeah.
to the end, because we're almost finished yet. With the makeup too, by the way. Doesn't she look lovely?
Oh, cool.
We are going to do our goodbye, Erena. Lido? Are you going to say goodbye with me too?
Alright, bye bye, Erena.
Bye bye, Erena. We love you so much.